Today, Code Pizzas gets a second chance at life because of this scientist, Percy Spencer, who was once testing an active magnetron, a tube that produces microwaves for radar systems. He noticed that a chocolate bar in his pocket melted. Most people would be annoyed. He wasn't. He said, that's interesting." And then he tested other food items near the machine, resulting heated food. And because of that accident, today leftovers last longer than relationships. That's how the idea of microwave was born. All because one chocolate bar didn't survive work.